Theta value equivalent to $0.9069 a coin. The present reach. $0.8407, $0.9384. The earlier day close. $0.8831. The change was plus 0.0238, plus 2.70%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.72. Greatest cost $1. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.19. Change for November 65.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $1.19. Most extreme cost $1.49, least cost $1.13. The normal for the month $1.30. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.38, change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at $1.38. Greatest cost $1.65, least cost $1.38. The normal for the month $1.49. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.54, change for January 11.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $1.54. Greatest cost $1.73, least cost $1.51. The normal for the month $1.60. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.62, change for February 5.2%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $1.62. Greatest cost $1.62, least cost $1.26. The normal for the month $1.47. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.36, change for spring 16.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $1.36. Most extreme cost $1.56, least cost $1.36. The normal for the month $1.44. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.46, change for April 7.4%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.46. Greatest cost $1.46, least cost $1.19. The normal for the month $1.35. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.28, change for May 12.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset cost at $1.28. Most extreme cost $1.28, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.16. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.08, change for June 15.6%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.08. Greatest cost $1.09, least cost 95 cents. The normal for the month $1.04. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.02, change for July 5.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $1.02. Greatest cost $1.02, least cost 87 cents. The normal for the month 96 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 94 cents, change for August 7.8%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $0.94. Greatest cost $1.10, least cost 94 cents. The normal for the month $1. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.03, change for September 9.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. At the outset cost at $1.03. Most extreme cost $1.27, least cost $1.03. The normal for the month $1.13. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.19, change for October 15.5%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $1.19. Most extreme cost $1.19, least cost 93 cents. The normal for the month $1.08. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1, change for November 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.45. Most extreme cost 56 cents, least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 52 cents, change for January 15.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.52. Greatest cost 52 cents, least cost 41 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 44 cents, change for February 15.4%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $0.44. Most extreme cost 51 cents, least cost 44 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 48 cents, change for spring 9.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 48 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 42 cents, change for April 12.5%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.42. Greatest cost 44 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 41 cents, change for May 2.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $0.41. Most extreme cost 43 cents, least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 40 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 40 cents, change for June 2.4%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at $0.40. Most extreme cost 49 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 46 cents, change for July 15.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. To start with cost at $0.46. Greatest cost 57 cents, least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 51 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 53 cents, change for August 15.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.53. Greatest cost 65 cents, least cost 53 cents. The normal for the month 58 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 61 cents, change for September 15.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2026. At the outset cost at $0.61.